Are you as smart as this young guy that I just came from seeing? I can't believe how old I am when I see these young guys. He's a young firefighter and he's got a young family. A son about 4 years old that he had to go pick up shortly. His wife was at work and he's got his house up for sale. His air conditioner is nearly shot and he needs a new one. But because the house is up for sale, he knows that it's going to be something he has to replace anyway. I asked him about the real estate market and he said it's slow. So they're considering taking the house off the market. They had another property they were interested in but lost it because they couldn't close because they did have to sell their own house first. So the reason I was there was he has a brother-in-law and a cousin and I think another family member that's in the HVAC business. And they have given him prices to change the air conditioner or also consider a heat pump, but he didn't know which way to go. But he told me right up front he wanted to keep those guys honest, but he's not 100% sure whether or not he would want them to actually do the work because they are from out of town. They would have to be a little bit inconvenienced to come and do the work, and it would be considered kind of a favor. So I don't mind that at all. And actually I respect that because he did tell me right up front what his intentions were. And if I can help him out, I will. But I will send him a proper quote so at least he can compare that to what these guys are going to do, knowing that the service and the follow-up really won't be there. It's a one-time shot because if he sells the house, they're not going to be coming back to look out anything anyway. So, you know, it's a good idea to shop around and check things out. And especially young people like this, they don't have as much money as some of the older retired people might have. They're just starting out. So any way we can help them, I love to do that. So that's the situation when I come and I see a house that's for sale, young guys working hard, young family. We'll do everything we can to help them out. So stay warm. It's gonna be the end of the winter soon, so you'll be looking at staying cool, I hope. But no matter what, please stay tuned.